Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Leo, 5 sign. This is August mid-month reading. This is general. May or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Guys, this is general. If it is not resonate, don't force to fit in. So messages for Leo, 5 sign. Under the deck, 4 of Cups, Justice, Wheel of Fortune, and 3 of Pentacles, 5 of Swords. I think things will turn into your favor, especially in the month of August. Maybe for some you are waiting for your turn. And Justice with 4 of Cups. I think you are waiting for second chances. And for some, you decided to cut off this person from your life. Here, two cases. I think you are feeling lonely, you are feeling discontent because see, you are missing someone, you are feeling missed opportunity with someone, and for some you want second chances, and for someone will come for second chances, especially there is no partnership or collaboration between you and your person. So let's see your reading. Recent past, 8 of Cups, the Star, and 2 of Pentacles. I think in recent past you were juggling, there is no clarity in this relationship, but you still have hopes on this connection, but there is no clarity. Maybe for some you decided to walk away, 8 of Cups. You already did it because there is no clarity. Then present, 6 of Wands, Knight of Cups, and the Magician. So I am seeing someone new is coming into your life. This person have a lot of romantic feelings for you. And for someone is manifesting other person in this connection. It could be you or your person, some manifesting. You are getting success for your hard work, 6 of Wands, recognition for your hard work. Then future, Knight of Wands, 10 of Cups, and Chariot. I think someone is very, very passionate about you. I think it could be a past person coming back with a lot of passion. And they really want to offer 10 of Cups happiness. Yeah, they're coming back, but you are in very, very slow moving. You are taking your steps very slowly. So I want some clarification cards for Magician. Yeah, right now maybe your person feeling sad. I think you are also feeling sad. Then Knight of Cups. See, this person maybe want to offer stability. Knight of Cups clarification card, the Hierophant. Knight of Wands, the Fool. Yes. So someone from past is coming back for new beginnings. It could be your past person. So the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Cancer. So let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Under the deck, 10 of Cups, Knight of Swords, 6 of Pentacles, and 6 of Cups. Wow. I think they are thinking about you a lot, Leo. This time your person want to offer commitment. They really want to marry you. There is upgrade in relationship and they are interested to communicate with you. In past, maybe there is no equal give and take. They treated you as an option, but now they're really serious about you. So let's see their current feelings and intentions. Under the deck, 4 of Swords, Queen of Cups, Queen of Wands and Page of Pentacles. Definitely your person want to communicate with you. They have strong emotions towards you. Right now they're healing and they're taking rest. So let's see their current feelings. Devil, Strength and Five of Pentacles. So yeah, they know they did hurt you in past. They're obsessed with you. They in past they treated you as an option, but now they're realizing what they did to you. They're feeling guilty, and they are working on their inner strength because the strength card is here and it's your card and it's your reading. Definitely for some this person may be toxic for you, but they are realizing what they did to you because their intentions, Three of Pentacles, Knight of Pentacles and Six of Cups. This time they're really serious about you. They really want to work on this relationship because Three of Pentacles partnership and Knight of Pentacles. Definitely they want to offer stability to this connection and they are thinking about you a lot. Lot of thinking is going. And they're thinking that you both have strong soulmate or past life connection with each other. Yeah, they did hurt you. Now they want second chances. Now they really want to work on this relationship. But Leo, it's up to you to accept or reject their offer. So let's pull some cards from universe. See where this connection is headed on and the outcome. So lovers, maybe the person involved in this connection could be Gemini. Love is there. Yeah, right now your person going through some transformation. Maybe the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn or Virgo or could be another Leo. Yeah, they are missing you. They are realizing you both. If you are in separation right now with your person, definitely they are thinking about commitment. Yes, they are waiting for right time also. So definitely there is love. They are realizing you both. I think you are at some crossroads. You don't know which decision you have to make. Uh, in past also you are juggling, and again I think there are some trust issues. You are not trusting this person. I think you are juggling between either to stay on or move on. Either to stay or move on, but you do love them. Definitely there is love towards them. Definitely you love them a lot. King of Cups. And another deck, High Priestess. So you are trusting your intuition, you are listening your intuition. There is communication is coming. So let's see mutual energies. I think you are holding back. You are in the process of making decision. Yeah. Lot of thinking is going. Lots of you are in long distance relationship. Lot of thinking and confusion right now. Yeah. This is a spiritual connection. You both are connected spiritually. There will be a communication in future and you both are stuck on each other. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. Leo. Finances and career. Religious factors. Maybe religious factors affecting your love life. Soulmates and marriage. So the messages are finances and career, religious factors, soulmates and marriage. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Leo. Expect powerful change, new moon eclipse. So definitely there will be a powerful changes coming in your life. Expect, especially when new moon eclipse is going. And the second message, the energy is gaining momentum, waxing moon. So if you are in separation with your person right now, but you are not seeing any message or any sign, but energy is gaining momentum. Definitely there will be some momentum from your person's side. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.